Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna do my differential oil. I got certified high performance gear oil from Subaru. I read on the forums that it's pretty good. It's a lot of people run it, so I'm giving it a try. And I bought this off Amazon to make it easier to put it in the differential. It takes 0.8 quarts. I think that's how you say it. 8 right here. The 8 right there. It takes that much inside the differential when you're putting it in. Well, let's see how it goes. Later, guys. Pull the plug. Now I need a socket for here. Then get a wrench and put it in there. Hey, what's up everybody? Well, we got done the differential in the back. Just remember, you got to put a 36 pounds of torque each nut. I didn't have a torque wrench, so I'm going to a buddy's house so we could get it done. But there you go, as easy as that. Little Subaru maintenance, something easy you could do at home. And if you run it hard, even better, is you can always do it. But all right everyone, thank you for watching.